नागालैंड विधानसभा परिणामों में नागालैंड की जनता ने बीजेपी को जो है उनके कैंडिडेट्स को जिताया है। यहाँ पे उनको लगातार समर्थन मिल रहा है और वो अलग अलग जो यहाँ की विधानसभा सीटें हैं वहां पे जीत दर्ज कर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ इस वक्त हैं तुएन सांग जो विधानसभा है वहां के बीजेपी कैंडिडेट जिन्होंने जीत दर्ज की है। इट्स पी बाशांग चांग सर, बी बाशांग चांग सर, आपका संसद टीवी में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। वेलकम टू संसद टीवी। My first question is the people of your area are just they are supporting you and they have elected you also and you belong to BJP. So how was it in your constituency? What was the mood of the people?
Actually, for the past 10 years, my Duisang Sarawak people, we were neglected in every field, in the development sectors, in the health sector, and since for the past 10 years, people have come to know the weaknesses of it. So they have trust in me. Since for the past 4 years, since from 2019, I've been going around with my people. I have been looking after the community development, to the health sector, to the poor and the needy ones, to the sick people. So because of that only, I could able to gain my confidence.
Okay. So you are saying that the basic amenities and the basic infrastructure which should be available to the people of your area, it was earlier not there, and you are working on this.
Yes. Now, actually, the basic is that since we are mainly since my constituency, it's a backward area. So, like health sector, we are very much neglected in health sector. See, my people, the sick ones, just for spending 3,000-4,000 for medical treatment, we have to rush down to Kohima to Dimapur. And just for 2 and 4, we are spending lakhs and lakhs. So economically, we are very much lagging behind. That's all.
Now the people of Tuan Sang has elected you.
Yes.
They have believed in you. Now, what some works, developmental works you have done, yes. Certain are in pipeline and certain are in your mind, in your brain. So, what you want to assure the people of Tuan Sang now, though they have elected you, and now, what you want to say to them?
Actually, I would like to give thanks to my Duisang Sarawak people, since they have both confidence on me. So, I seek their blessings. So, in the days to come, because of the advice, I seek the advice, I seek the ideas. So, through them, I'm going to develop my constituency, particularly, and Nagas in general.
तो ये जो चांग साहब हैं, तुएन सांग के विधायक हैं, उनका साफ कहना है कि जनता ने जो उन पे जो विश्वास दिलाया है उस पे वो जरूर खरे उतरेंगे और भविष्य में अपनी जो विधानसभा क्षेत्र है वहां पे जो विकास कार्य चल रहे हैं उनको वो और आगे ले जाएंगे। कैमरामैन ब्रज सुंदर राउत और कैमरा सहयोगी करण सिंह के साथ पवन कुमार शर्मा, दीमापुर, नागालैंड।